In this video, you'll learn a simple daily reset you can use to feel lighter, clearer, and more energized, especially if you've been feeling heavy, foggy, or just not quite yourself. Today, I want to share something quick and effective to help you reconnect with your feminine energy without needing a long routine or fancy practice. Sounds good, right? We're going to go through a simple routine and meridian stretch you can do in just a few minutes to shift your energy fast. When you feel heavy in your body or scattered in your mind, it's not just in your head. Often it's blocked energy, especially around the spine and the legs, which hold so much tension. The bladder meridian runs along the back of the body, and when it's tight, it creates physical and emotional stagnation. The bladder meridian is responsible for sending energy around the body for overall wellness and vitality. It is also the meridian to stretch if you are fearful of anything. I actually stretch this meridian out every day as part of my Qi Gong morning routine. Okay, let's explain what we are going to do, and then let's get on and do it, yeah? First, we practice water swing. Stand tall, arms by your side, get into a horse stance. Gently start swinging your arms from side to side, letting your hips stay in the same place. Use your hands as if you're playing in a swimming pool like a child, skating your hands across the top of the water. This is a soft, flowing movement, quite literally feminine energy in action. Let your breath flow with movement. This helps your Qi, that is your energy, begin to move again, gently and powerfully. This movement promotes water energy up your back. This helps to cool the brain, which is the right temperature for your brain to work properly. Try to remember water up, fire down. That will make this easy to remember. The brain works best when it's cool, and the abdomen works best when it's warm. And then we move into the bladder meridian stretch. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, clasp your hands and push your palms up to the ceiling. Push up from your lower back, middle back and upper back, and push your tailbone down. This helps to open up the bladder meridian. Now push your hands up in front of you and then out. Make a big semicircle all the way down to the floor. Keep your back straight and your legs straight as you do this, and then bounce from your lower back, pushing down 10 times. When you have completed 10, hold that position, and then as you breathe out, relax into the stretch more. Your body naturally relaxes when you breathe out, so you can go deeper. Do this a couple of times more, and then hold the stretch for another 10 seconds or so. Do you want to follow along now? I have to magically transport myself to the healing room to go through these exercises. As I do this, make some space for yourself to follow along with these exercises. I guess I'll be now. Welcome to the healing room. Okay, we're going to go straight into water swing. So bring your feet shoulder width apart, bend your knees while your hips around, lower back is flat, hands like you're touching water, and literally just twisting the body. Try and keep your hips a little bit to the front so you can feel that squeezing of the kidneys like you're playing in water. So allow your hands to scoot across the water. Use your imagination like a child. We'll do 30 of these. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Okay, bring your feet in a little bit closer, shoulder width apart, clasp your hands, take a deep breath in. And breathing out. Relax your shoulders here. Keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. Breathing in, breathing out. Now we're going to stretch out the bladder meridian. Breathing in, pushing up to the ceiling. From your lower back, middle back, upper back. Push your tailbone down to the floor. Nice big stretch, opening up all the vertebrae in the back. And a very slow semicircle all the way down to the floor. Very slowly. There's no rush here. So you feel every movement, you can stop still at any point. Keep your legs straight, your back straight, and then bouncing forward for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold. And then go past your right foot. Feel a deeper stretch on your right hamstring, bouncing for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold. And then go past your left foot, bouncing for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and hold. Then back to the center. You should be able to go a little bit deeper now with your bouncing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and hold. As you breathe out, go a little bit deeper with your stretch. Really feel that bladder meridian stretching out from all over body vitality, and get rid of any fears. So breathing out. So just say to yourself the mantra, no fear, no fear, no fear. A little bit more, breathing out, pushing down, no fear, no fear, no fear. Keep holding that stretch. You only need to hold it for a little while longer. 30 seconds is enough. Remember, each time you breathe out, your body relaxes, so you can actually stretch a little bit more. Any practice you do, Qi Gong, yoga, anything like that, somatics, remember that. It really does help to get more flexible with the body. Bend your knees, rolling up one vertebra at a time. Very slowly coming up. And we'll clear, take a deep breath in, pull the heat out of the head. Get used to bringing the thoughts out of the head, bringing them down into your heart. Your head will eventually clear like mine did. It's a very unusual feeling when it first happened. Breathing out as you come down, pulling that heat out of the head, breathing in, water up, remember, fire down. Okay, now we're going to go back to the conservatory. We're finishing the healing room. We'll say, Kansamvidara, I'll see you in a few seconds. How did you get on with that? Do you feel lighter? I certainly do. You don't need a long workout to reset your energy. Just these two simple movements can make you feel so much more connected, clear and light. Do let me know if you need any more suggestions to help you get rid of energy blocks. You don't need to force change. You just need to start. If you want to go deeper into rewriting your self-image, which is the mental picture you have about yourself, I have a free webinar you can watch if you click the link in the description. If you have a negative self-image, it is a negative energy stuck in the body. Remember, you don't have to feel constantly drained. When you start to understand how energy works in your body, you can get on top of it. But do remember, there are times when you just need to rest. Mastering your energy will help you know this deep down inside. I look forward to connecting with you in the next video. Till then, be well and keep shining.